Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope you all are fine and a very good morning to you all. I am your biology teacher and today we have our second online class of biology. Today I am going to continue my lecture from the branches of biology chapter number 1. Today our next branch is histology. The word histo means tissue and we all are familiar that tissues are basically a group of cells combined together to perform a specific function in our body. And the word logy means study. So the study of tissues are basically known as histology. So this branch deals with the study of composition, structure and the functions of different tissues present in the plant and animal body. For example, the study of epidermal tissue in plants. Epidermal tissues are the tissues that covers the surfaces of the roots, stems, leaves and flowers. The next example is the study of nervous tissue. Nervous tissues are the tissues that are present in our brain and throughout our body, and it is responsible to transfer the messages throughout our body. You can see the different tissues perform a specific function in our body. So in this branch, we can study all these tissues and its structure, function, composition in this branch of biology. Our next branch is physiology. The word physio means nature or activity and the word logy means study. So the study of functions of organism is known as physiology. So in this branch deals with the functions of different parts of the organism and the activities or functions occurring in them. For example, the working of the eye. For example, you can see the different functions on your screen. All these functions we can study in this branch of biology. Our next branch is embryology. The word embryo means fertilized egg and the word logy means study. So the study of the fertilized egg is known as the embryology. So in this branch deals with the development of an organism from a fertilized egg. For example, the formation of chick from an egg. You can see on your screen there is an interior view of a bird's egg and you can see the development of the chick inside the egg. So this branch deals with the development of an organism from a fertilized egg. The next branch is taxonomy. The word taxo comes from the word taxis and the taxis meaning is arrangement and the word nomi comes from the word nomos and the nomos meaning is law. So in this branch deals with the classification or grouping of organisms into groups and subgroups on the basis of similarities and differences and give them scientific names. So, for example, the arrangement of classification of plants and animals. You can see this is basically a taxonomical classification of organism. You can see the different ranks or levels in which we classify the organisms in two different groups and subgroups on the basis of similarities and differences and give them scientific names. Our next branch is cytology. The word cyto means cell and the word logy means study. So the study of the cell is known as cytology. So this branch deals with the study of cell and their organelles. For example, the study of plant and animal cell. Now you can see on your screen there is an example of animal cell and you can see the different parts and organelles inside the cell. These parts and organelles are responsible to perform a specific function inside the cell. So this branch deals with the study of the cell and the organelles and their functions inside the cell. Our next branch is paleontology. The word paleo means fossils and fossils are basically the dead remains of the organism. And logy means study. So the study of the fossils of past organism is known as paleontology. Fossils means dead remains. So the study of the dead remains of past organism is known as paleontology. Paleontology is divided into two sub-branches. First is paleobotany and the next one is paleozoology. The word paleo means fossils or dead remains and the word botany means plants. So the study of the fossils of plants are known as paleobotany. For example, Rhynia plant. You can see Rhynia on your screen. Our next branch is Paleozoology. Paleo means fossils or dead remains and zoology means animals. So the study of the fossils of animals are known as paleozoology. For example, dinosaur. Dinosaur is a clear example of paleozoology. The next branch is immunology. The word immuno comes from the word immune system. An immune system is a system of our body that help to defend our body against different diseases. This branch deals with the body system of defense against disease causing microorganism. So the study of the immune system is basically known as immunology. For example, the study of white blood cells. You can see the different white blood cells. These white blood cells are present in our blood and these white blood cells are responsible. It helps to defend our body against different diseases, germs, viruses, bacteria by producing the proteins like antibodies that help to kill the germs, viruses and bacteria and provide immunity to our body. The next branch is entomology. The word entomo comes from the word entomon and entomon meaning is nosed and the word logy means study. So this branch deals with the study of insects. For example, ants, flies, bees, butterflies, all these are insects. So this branch is about the study of all these insects. You can see on your screen different insects, butterflies, beetles, dragonfly, all these are the insects. So the study of insects are known as entomology. The next branch is genetics. This branch deals with the study of genes and heredity. Genes are the small segments of DNA and it is responsible to transfer the characteristics from parents to the offspring. Example, the study of transmission of eye color, hair color from parents to the offspring. So all these we can study in this branch of biology. For example, you can see on your screen, this is basically a diagram of DNA and you can see the gene. Gene is basically a short segment of or unit of a DNA and it is responsible to transfer the characteristics from parents to the offspring. The next branch is biotechnology. The word bio means life and technology means practical application of scientific knowledge. So this branch deals with the study of use of microorganisms for the welfare and benefit of humanity. For example, production of yogurt. In this branch, we can use the different microorganisms for our welfare for the formation of different products like yogurt. You can see on your screen, yogurt is formed by the help of microorganism bacteria lactobacillus. You can see two type of bacteria, streptococcus thermophilus and lactobacillus bulgaricus. These two bacteria convert the sugar lactose in a milk into a lactic acid and coagulate the proteins and form a yogurt. So the milk convert into a yogurt by the help of these microorganisms. The next branch is environmental biology. The word environmental comes from the word environment. So in this branch, we study about the environment. This branch deals with the interrelationship or interaction of an organism with their environment. For example, the study of the fish and its surrounding and its environment. You can see the study of organism with its environment. This branch is known as environmental biology. Next branch is parasitology. The word parasito comes from the word parasite. Parasites are basically the small organisms that harm the other organisms for their benefit. So, logy means study. So, the study of parasites are basically known as parasitology. This branch deals with the study of parasite and all aspects of parasitism. For example, the study of lice, the study of tapeworm, the study of plasmodium. All these are parasites that harm the other organisms for their benefit. You can see on your screen mosquito, bedbug, flea, mite, tick, lice. All these are the parasites of the organism that harm the other organism for their benefit and sucks the blood from the other organisms. The next branch is sociobiology. The word socio comes from the word social. So this branch is about the social behavior of animal. This branch we study about the social behavior of animal. For example, the social behavior is basically the behavior that is due to the interaction of one organism to the another organism. For example, the social behavior is present in the bees, in ants, and in humans. So, in this branch, we study about the social behavior, social interaction of animal, one animal to the other animal. You can see the social behavior is also present in monkeys, in humans, in ants, in bees. Our next branch is pharmacology. The word pharma means drugs or medicine, and the word logy means study. So, the study of medicines or drugs is known as pharmacology. The word pharmacon means drug, and the word logy means study. So, this branch deals with the scientific study of drugs and their effects on human body. You can see on your screen the different medicines on drugs. So we can study all these drugs and their effects on the human body in this branch of biology. Penicillin. Penicillin is basically the first naturally occurring and the most extensively used antibiotic. It was discovered in 1928 and the first patient was successfully treated in United States in 1942. There are many uses of penicillin antibiotic. The first use is that it helps in reducing the number of deaths. It is used to treat severe infections such as meningitis, pneumonia, gonorrhea. So, this is the first naturally occurring and most extensively used antibiotic throughout the world. Thank you.